IEBC Chairman Isaac Hassan is out to clear his name in front of or before the Justice and Legal Affairs Committee on the Public Accounts Committee reports on the Commission. Let's listen in.
Of their removal. 249(2)A says that they are only subject to the Constitution and the law. And 249(2)B emphasizes their independence and that they are not subject to direction or instructions by anybody. So for me, I think what we need to do is to get away from the PAC report now, try to look at issues that will strengthen this commission and not allow us to even venture into situations where they need to go or not for political expedience. Until and unless we do have a report or a petition before us, then I think we need not discuss anything beyond our regular mandate of oversight and trying to strengthen them and looking forward to the next general election. Because as it is now, they are still the ones who are in office and we expect them to carry out the next general election. In fact, even an attempt to resign is abdication of duty as far as we are concerned at this particular point in time.
Thanks, Honorable Eganyi. Honorable Kajuju.
Chair, I believe that it was right for this commission to come before us and at least give us a summary of their side in as far as the PAC report was concerned. Because as we speak, Chair, the PAC report has not been debated in the House. It is pending. And just because the committee made some decisions, it is up to us as now the Justice and Legal Affairs Committee that directly oversights IEBC to be able to guide the House in as far as that report is concerned. So I don't think, Chair, anyone should then tell us that what they have told us would be a wrong way of doing things. I think we've done it in the right way, and it was right for us now to get an insight of what IEBC feels as a response to what PAC has said. And I believe it will be upon this committee then to give the House the right direction. Now we'll have the material and be able to tell the House this was right, this was wrong, or this was overstepping the mandate in as far as PAC was concerned. So we are on the right track, Chair. Thank you.
Thank you, Honorable Kajuju. Then let's proceed, I think, with those remarks. You know, it is very important for us to be aware as the departmental committee of issues that touch on IEBC. When such weighty issues will be discussed on the floor of the House, we should be able, as rightly spoken to by Honorable Kajuju, we should be able to be in a position, not only position, but we should be competent also to tell the House what we think as the departmental committee that is charged with the responsibility of oversighting IEBC, think about the issues that have been raised. That is within our mandate and you cannot take it away. So I'd like to thank members. I'd like us to move fairly quickly to the next two items. We will not be able to deal with the details with regard to the budget for 2016-2017, but we'd like to hear you on the question of the status of the referendum law review. Where are we? Because we've been making attempts to conduct a referendum with very scattered provisions of the law governing its conduct, and we just wanted to know what's the position and where are we, and when are you going to be ready to make a presentation to this committee so that we can finalize this issue. Chairman.
Thank you very much, Mr. Chairman. I want to beg your indulgence to allow me to give the Director of Legal Affairs the floor to explain that point.
Proceed.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. We have already held consultations with the Kenya Law Reform Commission and the Attorney General's chambers. We have a draft in place, Mr. Chairman, and I believe we have circulated the draft. The draft seeks to address the manner in which a referendum is initiated to amend the Constitution. It also seeks to address initiation of other...
All right, that there is Chairman of the IEBC, Isaac Hassan, appearing before the Justice and Legal Affairs Committee of the National Assembly.